Hey.
Hi guys, welcome back to Perfect
Harmony
Twins. And today we'll be showing you guys the tutorial of our new challenge.
Okay.
And this is our cousin Jordan, hashtag our choreographer.
Nice. Nice to meet you, Jordan.
Thank you. Happy to be here.
Yes, we're so happy to have you. Okay.
Okay, so let's get into the dance. So obviously this dance has two people. So Allie is, we can call her person one, Bella's person two. Okay, I'll show you Allie's part first and then we'll add in Bella's. All right?
Okay.
So you get a break. Okay, so right on the beat drop. So before it'll be like, you ready, Bella? Let's go, Allie. And then the beat will drop. And so on the beat drop, Allie or person one does a little turn or spin, or like Bella's gonna hit, okay, person two is gonna hit person one with a gust of wind. So really, person one can do whatever they wanna do. Allie chose to turn, but person one can like hit a little body roll
Hey.
or do whatever they want. Allie's gonna turn, I'm gonna hit her with a gust of wind. 5, 6, 7, 8. I do my dance, okay? Now for I be outside with my friends, it's gonna be right, left, friends. She's gonna wave and go down, okay? Then once Allie is down, she's gonna stay down. I be outside with my friends, then she's going to hit, boom, back to herself, boom, and up, boom, with her hands, okay? So from the beginning, okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. I do my dance. I be outside with my friends. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, and then the next move is this. I don't know what to call this one. Hit the air. Okay, ready? So let's add that in. 5, 6, 7, 8. I do my dance. I be outside with my friends. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, then the next lyrics are running around my world. So you're just running in place. And you'll see that person one and person two switch when they're all together, but that's optional. You can do that if you want. So running around my world, hitting the wall, rolly, rolly, and then person one will slide out the frame. Yes, and I think, yeah, you do slide that way. Okay, you slide that way. And then, okay, so then you're out the frame, first step back and do it again. And then person two, who's in the frame, come join us. Okay, person two will go like, okay, switch sides, because you guys will be like this. Okay, and you're out the frame, so you push that way. Okay, and then Bella, you go this way, boom, boom. Okay, so now we're doing this little walking move, and this is kind of difficult, but if you keep practicing, it gets easier. Pretty much you're just crossing your legs like that, and you add in your arms, so you'll push like that and push the other way. So after Allie slides out the frame, boom, Bella will go like, and we'll explain Bella's later, but Bella, you go like rolly, rolly, boom, 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 and then person one will come back in the frame on the second, boom, boom, okay? So let's show them that.
Okay.
From step back and do it again. So you can, that's 5, 6, 7, 8. Step back and do it again. Boom, 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 boom. And then, okay. Right. Okay, so then for the next part, you're gonna put your hands on your hips. Right, left, hip, hip. Very simple. And then the last words are
Smile on your face.
yeah, okay, so just look at each other, boom, and then smile at the camera. Yeah. What are those last lyrics? Can we just tell them?
Yeah. Oh, step back and do it again. Do it, my sister. That's how we win. Bet when they tell us we can't. Show them we got it. Smile on
Yes,
their
okay,
face.
so it's bet when they tell us we can't. Look at each other for show 'em we got it. Smile in their face. And that's the end. Yay!
Yay.
All right.
Okay, we're gonna do it.
Okay, now let's do person two's
We're
part.
gonna do person two.
Okay, so person two's part, Isabella, in this example, you're gonna push Allie with a gust of wind when the beat drops. So it'll be 5, 6, 7, 8. I do my dance, right? This way. Yeah. Yeah. And then Bella's gonna be out of the frame for I do my dance, I be outside with my and she's gonna slide back in on friends, and she's gonna wave because they're waving to each other. And then there are 3 like imaginary beats happening after she slides back in. So it'd be like friends, boom, 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 boom. And you'll notice when they do this move together, their hands go up at different times. So person 1's hands are gonna go up earlier than person 2's. Right, and then at the same time, they're gonna hit the air, boom. Then running around my world, hitting the wall, rolling, rolling. Okay, and this is the part where Allie slides out, but Bella has her solo moment, so she's going to move back like this, step back and do it again. Boom, boom, boom. Right, so then right after the rolly, you're gonna do the walking, and that's when Allie's gonna join, and then it's right, left, hip, hip, show me got it, smile on their face, right? And you can kind of do whatever you want for that last part, as long as you're smiling, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so now we can put it all together. Okay, so we can go slow for the people, and then we can do it with music. So Allie, move forward a little bit. Okay, get out the way. Ready?
Hold on. Go ahead, Joe.
Alright, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. I do my dance. I be outside with my friends. Doom, 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 doom. Running around my world, hitting the wall. Step right to left, how it goes. Step back and do it again. Boom, 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 boom. When they told us we can't, told we got it, smile on their face.
Okay, she's gonna do it again a little bit faster, and then you'll add music, okay?
Add music this time?
Not yet. It's gonna be a little faster this time.
Okay.
More on beat, because it is really fast, but it's cute. Shout out to your choreographer, yes?
Woo,
Woo, woo.
5, 6, 7, 8. I do my dance. I be outside with my friends. Doom, 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 boom. Running around my world, hitting the wall, rolly, rolly, slide. Step back and do it again. Boom, 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 boom. Driving as low as we can. Show them we got it. Smile on their face.
A little bit off, but
It's cute.
5, 6, 7, 8. I do my dance. I be outside with my friends. Boom, 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 boom. Running around my world, hitting the wall, rolly, rolly, slide. Step back and do it again. Boom, 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 boom. And hip, 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 hip. Show 'em we got it. Smile on their face.
Woo! Ready to add music?
yes.
Okay, we're adding music.
This is not the right song. Sorry.
Yes, I love your energy. This is how you want to do it at home, people. That's okay. Hey! Choreographer is ready.
Yeah. Hitting the wall, running, running, slide. Boom, 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 boom.
Hey! Nice choreographer. You ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Twins, you ready?
Ready?
Are you ready?
All right, we are ready from the top. Hey.
You ready, Bella? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm my ears, I'm my friend. Hitting the source again. Running around my world, hitting the wall, stepping to the high goals. Step back and do it again. Do it with my sister, that's how we win. Better than they tell us we can. Show them we got it stronger than.
Nice. Woo!
Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn to make a dance video.
And make sure you go to the end of this video to find all the socials. Like and subscribe. Bye!